On behalf of Rotary International District 3800, I extend my heartfelt greetings and congratulations to District 3750 South Korea on the successful celebration of your district conference. To our beloved sister district, District 3750 South Korea, thank you for your unwavering friendship, generosity, and commitment to service. Over the years, your district has stood by us, not only as partners, but as true brothers and sisters in Rotary. Your generous support of our global grant projects have touched countless lives in our communities, and for that, we are deeply grateful. But beyond the projects, what we treasure most is the lasting bond of friendship and fellowship we have built with you. Today, as we renew our district sisterhood agreement, we reaffirm our shared commitment to serve, to grow, and to build bridges of understanding between our people and our nations. To my classmate governor, District Governor Jae-Jin Kang, or District or DG Tiger, congratulations for your successful year of service as District Governor. And thank you very much for our Rotary friendship. And I wish this friendship and our district partnership will continue for a long time. As we close this magic of Rotary year and move forward into a year where we unite for good, let us continue walking hand in hand, serving with compassion, leading with purpose, and inspiring hope across borders. Once again, thank you very much, District 3750. Together, let us